kids! Today our lesson is about past and present tense of the verb. In the regular form of verb, we add ed. Present tense, past tense. For example, jump, present tense. Jumped, past tense. We add ed. Walk, walked. Climb, climbed. Talk, talk, talked. Comb, combed. Greet, greeted. Open, opened. Pulse, pull, pulled. Push, pushed. Add, added. Count, counted. Ask, asked. Accept, accepted. Cook, cooked. In other regular form, D. For example, bake, baked. Live, lived. Name, named. Invite, invite, invited. Dance, danced. Phone, phoned. Like, liked. The other regular form of verb, we change y to I and add ed. For example, present tense, fry. Past tense, fried. We change y to I, then add ed. Try, tried. Cry, cried. Study, studied. Carry, carried. Hurry, hurried. Empty, emptied. Next is the irregular form of verb. In this way, we change the spelling. Present tense, past tense. For example, write, wrote. Sit, sat. Get, got. Eat, ate. Drink, drank. Swim, swam. Wake, woke. More examples: slip, slept. Keep, kept. Send, sent. Build, built. Run, ran. Sing, sang. See, saw. Forgive, forgave. Forget, forgot. broke. Drive, drove. Dive, dove. Buy, bought. Bring, brought. More examples: grow, grew. Blow, blew. New. Give, gave. Ride, rode. Say, said. Speak, spoke. Come, came. Become, became. Wear, wore. Bear, bore. Think, thought. Choose, chose. Find, found. More examples: lead, led. Behold, beheld. Make, made. Go, went. Do, did. Is, was. Are, were. Let's do this activity. Tell the past tense of the verb in the sentences. We watched a movie yesterday. Your answer is watch. Good job. Mario climbed the mango tree. Climbed. Leon studied very hard last night. Studied. Mother baked a delicious cake. Baked. She greeted me on my last birthday. Greeted. Good job. I became a teacher 10 years ago. Became. Good job. The maid broke the vase. Broke. Ella went to Australia last summer. Went. I saw many stars last night. So, good job. The boys found a big hole in the yard. Found. Good job, kids.
If you like my video, please like, subscribe to my channel.